Niaje tena wadau, let's a Teqcher flight tena hapa. Nimetokea tena na kahesabu na leo tunaangalia application questions under quadratic equations. Nasema nini mtu wangu? Yaani after umesoma quadratic equations utapewa sasa real life examples za kuwork out under the knowledge yenye umereceive in a quadratic equations. Hapo sawa? Nice one. Nice one. So all I'm going to do ni kukusaidia kuunda the equations, yani the first steps za kupata hii jibu, and then after that nitakuacha wewe mwenyewe umalizie. Hapo sawa? Nice one, nice one. In short nasema nini? Hizi maswali zote zitataka utafute a quadratic equation. And how to solve a quadratic equation nilisha kuonyesha vile tunafanya in the previous episode. So ile kitu inasumbuanga wanafunzi hapa sana inakuanga ni kuunda the equations, of which naenda kukusaidia and then carry on from there. Hapo sawa? Nice one. Nice one. Tukianza na the first one, inasema the sum of two numbers is 14 and the sum of their squares is 100. All you need to do ni kulet ujue the two numbers are different. So let the numbers be x and y. Hapo sawa? Nice one, nice one. So the sum of two numbers is 14. Hiyo ndo the first thing. Sum inamaanisha addition. So the first equation is gonna be x plus y is equals to 14. Haya. And the sum of their squares is 100. The sum of their squares is 100. Square ni nini? X, the square of x is x square plus the square of y is y square. So if you add that, the sum of their squares is 100. Is ndio the equal sign. So is 100. Mtu wangu ukimaliza hivyo utakuwa na equation 1 na utakuwa na equation 2. So kazi inakuwa rahisi sana. So from there ni kumalizia tu. So what you do from there, unasema from equation 1, we can still say that x is equals to 14 minus y. I hope unaona. Neza rewrite x plus y is equals to 14 into x is equals to 14 minus y. That is, napeleka hii y huku inakuwa 14 minus y. And then the next thing that you do, you substitute this equation 1 into equation Roman 2. Yani mali kuna x kwa hii equation, nitaweka sasa 14 minus y. Watch and learn. So this equation will be 14 minus y square plus y square is equals to 100. I hope umeelewa mtu wangu. Equation 1 ilinipea this equation. Sasa kwa equation 2 nikakuja mahali kuna x square, badala ya kuandika x naandika sasa 14 minus y because we have let x to be 14 minus y. So inakuwa 14 minus y square then plus y square is equals to 100. And then from there mtu wangu, just expand this and finish the sum. Then you go on factorize, alafu umalize, utakuwa umeipata hapo sawa. Nice one, nice one. A question 2, penzi mwanafunzi. The square of a number is 3 more than half the number. Find the possible values of the number. The square of a number is 3. as usual, let the number be a letter P. Si lazima utumie X ama Y. I just want it to be P this time. So let the number be P. The square of the number, the square of P will be P square. So P square is, look, the square of a number is 3 more than half the number. So P square is nimekwambia ni is equal sign 3, so is 3 more than unaweka addition sign, yani zaidi ya, so 3 more than half the number. Half the number is a half of P, because half of P is a half of P. So the square of a number, P square is equals to 3 plus a half P. The square of a number P is 3 more than half the number. Hapo sawa? Nice one, nice one. As you can see, this is already a quadratic equation. So just rewrite it in the form of ax square plus bx plus c. Vile tulikuwa tumesema inakuwa a half p minus 3 is equals to 0. Okay? Becomes a quadratic equation. Yani unaleta hizi huku ndo uache 0. The same hata hii swali hapa, eventually you will be required to watch a 0. So itakuwa 14 minus y square plus y square minus 100 is equals to 0. And then endelea umalizie by factorizing. The perimeter of a rectangular plot is 76 meters. The area is 360 square meters. Calculate the length and breadth of the rectangle. So what you do, first of all, sketch the shape that we are talking about. We are talking about a rectangular plot. Then let L be the length and B be the breadth. Breadth ndio kama width. Hapo sawa? Nice one, nice one. Then unakuja na label ndio L, then this is B. Alafu umeambiwa the perimeter is 76 meters. As usual, you know perimeter is equals to 2 multiplied by L plus B. Hiyo ndo formula ya perimeter from your class 5. And then you know that area is length times, tumezoea length times width, so it will be length times breadth. Hapo sawa? Nice one, nice one. So this means tutakuwa na 2 equations because tumepewa perimeter na tumepewa area. Okay, so let us form those equations. Our perimeter is 76 meters. So 2 length plus breadth is equals to 76. Okay, nice one, nice one. Then the area is 360. And our area is represented by LB. So L multiplied by B is equals to 360. Call this equation 2. Call this equation 1. Okay. Nice one, nice one. As usual, itakuwa L plus B is equals to 76 over 2. L plus B is equals to 76 over 2. I hope you can be able to see. Divide this by 2, divide this by this side by 2, divide that side by 2. So this is 38. L plus B is equals to 38. Nice one. Call that your equation still 1. Then LB is equals to 360. Okay. Nice one, nice one. So what you do, let us rewrite from equation 1. We can rewrite equation 1 as L is equals to 38 minus B. Kama ulielewa hii ya kwanza, hawezi kuwa hujaelewa hii. I have just taken b the other side, ikakuwa 38 minus b. Then ikaacha l huko. And then substitute 38 minus b in this equation Roman 2. Yaani mali kuna l kwa hii equation nyingine, kwa hii equation ya pili, mali kuna l, nitaweka 38 minus b, which will be 38 minus b multiplied by b is equals to 360. And then as you can see, that is a quadratic equation. Continue from there and solve it. Hapo sawa? Nice one. Nice one. Last but not least, find the possible values of a number such that twice its square is equal to 6 times the number. Find the possible values of a number such that twice its square is equal to 6 times the number. So let the number be, we can say roundly, m. So twice its square, twice ni 2 times. So 2 times its square, okay, is equal, nimekwambia is equal, ndio hiyo sign, to 6 times the number. 6 times, kila mtu anajua times ni multiplication, times the number. The number was m. We let the number be m. So twice the square of the number is equal to 6 times the number, which is m. Okay? Then from there, mtu wangu umemaliza. 2m square is equals to 6m. Carry on from there, umalizie hapo, sawa? Nice one, nice one. So I hope umeelewa mtu wangu. All we do here ni kukusaidia manze uelewe vitu kwa urahisi na ujibambe, si ndio? Nice one, nice one. Join class yangu inaitwa Inspired by Teqcher Fly pale kwenye Google Classroom. Download app inaitwa Google Classroom and then ujoin class yangu using the code provided. Na pia unaweza pata kazi yangu pale kwenye YouTube, bora subscribe kwa channel yangu Teqcher Fly. Unaweza ni follow Twitter na pia Facebook, like page yangu kama unajisikia hapo, sawa? Nice one, nice one. Spread the word because anytime, anywhere, anyone can learn. Bye.